Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am your friend Zaid Afzaldar and you're watching my channel Living in Saudi Arabia. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you receive all the notifications on time and every time. Today is Wednesday, 8 June 2022. Let's have a look at today's gold prices in the UAE. Starting with the 1 gram price of the 24 carats gold, without VAT price is 218.66 and with VAT is 229.59. For 22 carats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 200.73 and with VAT is 210.77. 1 gram price for 21 carats gold without VAT is 191.33 and with VAT is 200.90. 1 gram price for 18 carats gold without VAT is 163.99 and with VAT is 172.19. For 14 carats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 127.92 and with VAT is 134.32. For 10 carats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 91.18 and with VAT is 95.74. Last but not the least, for the 6 carats gold, 1 gram price is 54.66 and with VAT is 57.39. Keeping in mind that the VAT value in the UAE is 5% to the 100. I hope you will find this information useful, and if this information is useful to you, please like this video and share this information with your friends and family so that everyone gets the latest update. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.